We're here in the Peloponnese region in southern Greece. The picturesque Laconian Gulf is a home to fishermen and an international tourist destination. But all is not as it seems. We're here to see how this idyllic location has now become a key artery for Russian oil. The area is packed with huge tankers. We're just leaving Greek territorial waters and we're approaching a number of tankers that have left Russia, and we believe they're here to exchange Russian cruise. And here they are. We find two tankers in the middle of a ship-to-ship transfer. These two boats that you can see behind me here are oil tankers. The boats in the distance is from Russia and it's moving oil to the boat that's nearest to us. Here in international waters, this practice is legal, and it's one of the ways by which Russian oil continues to be exported throughout the world, often with the help of Western shipping companies and some of the millions of barrels of oil that passes through this area will ultimately find its way to countries that have bans on Russian oil, including the UK. Industry data confirms what we see. Russian crude is picked up here to be transferred onwards to places like Turkey and India. BBC Newsnight has had exclusive access to figures calculated by the environmental campaign group Global Witness since a ban on importing Russian energy was introduced by the UK with the G7 and EU in January. The numbers show the amount of Russian energy that's been processed in Indian refineries and made its way to the UK legally since then. The figures have been reviewed by BBC Verify and shown to independent experts. So how does this Russian energy still get to us, traveling thousands of miles by tanker to 3 refineries in India, including Jamnagar, the world's biggest refinery? Here the crude oil is mixed with products from other sources and refined into diesel. Across the 3 refineries, Russian oil makes up around 45% of what goes into the final product. In the 6 months following January this year, the UK imported 6.2 million barrels of refined energy from these 3 refineries, of which an estimated 2.33 million barrels was made with Russian crude. The diesel is used to power UK planes. The figures are equivalent to 1 in 8 of our flights using fuel from these refineries, a 1 in 20 British flights being powered purely by Russian crude.